Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance, Knock It Out the Box. It is a four-wall dance that moves clockwise. If you're interested in a demo and dancing along to the music, just watch till the end. And if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 251 0674. I would like to give a shout out to everyone that always leaves me a comment. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. Are you ready? Oh, I have an exciting upcoming announcement, so stay tuned. So let's do it. We're going to start on this wall right here. Okay? And we're going to start with the weight on the left, and we're going to tap back. 1, 2, 3, step 4, left 5, 6, 7, step 8. 1, 2, 3, step 4, and 5, 6, 7, step 8. So we're going to do it on the right, left, right, left. But I want you to notice something that I did. When I tapped back, my weight actually went to the front and my heel came up, so I was able to pivot back, okay? Don't try to move back with your heel on the floor. Your heel must become up a little bit, okay? And this leg right here, because it's the one where my weight is, but I bring my weight to the front and I tap back. 1, 2, 3, step 4, 5, 6, 7, step 8. 1, 2, 3, step 4, 5, 6, 7, step 8. So don't look at this leg here. Look at this one here where my weight is. It goes to the front. And my heel comes up so I can pivot on the ball of my feet, okay? So watch your foot placement, okay? It's easier to do that instead of coming back and your weight is totally to the back, okay? You need to shift your weight to the front, okay, so you can protect your knees, okay? So we do that on the right, left, right, left. The next step is out and in on the right, out and in on the left, out and in on the right, out and in on the left, okay? So let's put that together. Shifting my weight to the front, tapping back. 1, 2, 3, step 4, 5, 6, 7, step 8. 1, 2, 3, step 4, 5, 6, 7, step 8. Okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? And I'm going to hold up on the right, hold on the left, and then kick right, left. Again, hold right, hold left, kick right, left. Slow, slow, fast, fast. Okay? And the next step we're going to do is step forward, lift, take it down to a lunge, and then come back. So we step 1, up 2, down 4. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so let's add that to the slow, slow, fast, fast step. Knee down, up, and take it back. So let's add that together. Tapping back on the right, on the left, on the right, and the left, out and in, to the front, hold, slow it down, fast, right, left, and then step right, knee up, take it down to lunge, and take it back. All right, 5, 6, 7, take it back. 1, 2, 3, step 4, 5, 6, 7, step 8. 1, 2, 3, step 4, 5, 6, 7, step 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so when we came back here, we were back 5, 6, back 7, 8. From here, we roll it to the right, roll left, roll right, and roll left. All right, let's put that together. So we did a review step, knee up, take it down, up, roll back left, roll back right, roll back left. We roll right, left, right, and left. All right, from the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out and in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick it up. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. My weight is on my left. Okay, now my right heel is up. I'm going to do a double tap to the front, double tap to the front, to the back, and then do single, single. So double to the front, double to the back, and single, single. I'm going to my wall to a quarter turn. I step forward and turn my ankle. And I step and I tap out. That's my turn. I'm going to cross over again, then tap out. I'm going to cross over again and step back. Left, right, and together. Again, double tap to the front, to the back, single, 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 single. Now when I step forward on my right, it's important to turn my ankle. If I turn my ankle, that's like my blinker. And I step on that right and I tap out. I cross over and I tap out. I cross over again, then I step back. Left, right, and jump together. And the dance starts over again. So let's put that together, the double tap. It's 1, 2, back 3, 4, single, 5, 6, turn 7, 8, cross 1, tap 2, cross 3, back 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come together on 8. Again, double. 1, 2, single, 3, 4. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4, single, 5, 6, turn 7, tap 8, cross 1, tap 2, 3, back 4, 5, 6, 7, together on 8. Okay? And you're at your next wall, which is a clockwise, moving clockwise, just a quarter turn, 4 wall dance. Doing the same step at each wall. So we start the dance over. So let's go here. Since we have our steps together, stand on this side of the room, look in this direction. So we're able to get 2 full rotation in without you looking back at the camera, okay? All right, so here we go. 5, 6, we backing it up, right? Let's do a review. We back it up on the right, we back it up on the left, we back it on the right, and then the left. Then we stay here, we go out and in 4 times. Then we're going to tap to the front, slow, and we're going to pick it up. On that third one, step up, lift up, take it down, and then step back. Roll back on the left, on the right, and then the left. Then we roll. Roll right, left, right, and left. Then we go in with our double tap, what we just finished. Are you ready? Let's go. 5. Remember, you got to shift that weight back to the front. He'll come up slightly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did I say hip? I'm sorry, a heel. The heel comes up slightly. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, out and in. 1, 2, left, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, 7, 8, tap over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step 7, up, 8 is down. 1, 2, back, 3, 4, back 5, 6, left 7, 8, roll 1, 2, left 3, 4, right 5, 6, left 7, 8, double tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, single, 5, 6, blinker, 7, 8, cross 1, 2, cross 3, back 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up, 8, down, 1. Up, 2, back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single. 5, 6. Turn. 7. Tap 8. Cross 1. Tap 2. Cross 3. Back on the left. Step 5. Step 6. Right 7. Together 8. Okay? That's knock it out the box. And you'll continue on doing the same step. So make sure you take your time and learn the steps. And let's dance together. At the end of this video, click on the video. Let's dance together and make sure you have the right steps. Make sure you share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.